चारांक आयली सारकी 5 जाली. मागीर आमकां DGPन फर्स्ट टायम म्हाका पयलें म्हणल्यार सांगपाचें आसा की हांव DGP जो आसा आमचो सेंट्रल हेडक्वॉर्टर्स ताका हांव काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणून करता. आय एम रियली थँकफूल, ऑनेस्टली थँकफूल टू द DGP बिकॉज इट्स द फर्स्ट टायम that he gave us respect. Means any officer like otherwise almost have seen आमकां रोखडें कितें करतालीं, बोर्ड करतालीं, भितर येवपाक दिना आशिल्लीं, रोखडें आमकां वेनांत घालतालीं आनी पुलीस स्टेशनार व्हरून आमकां अरेस्ट करतालीं, म्हळ्यार थंय डिटेन करतालीं. पूण फर्स्ट टायम अशें जाल्लें आसा डॅट DGPन ताज्या लोवर रँकाक सांगलें, DYSPनी सांगलें वचून महिला काँग्रेसाच्या डेलिगेशनाक वयर धाड म्हणून. आमकां 10-12 बायलांनी वयर आमकां एंटरटेन केलें. We had a chat with DGP for say 15 minutes, wherein I explained to him the matter. I shown him, I made the police go and show him what a con it was sent. And then I even told him that the deputy CM also has put a case saying that his mobile was hacked. So my few questions I placed in front of him, that at 1:20 when deputy CM was sleeping and when he is admitting that he was sleeping, how can anybody come and hack? His wife cannot go and hack, or not do the police who are there on the gate can come and hack. So I told him we would like to know the locations before and prior and after ताजे मोबायलाचे. ताका आमी एक्सप्लेन केलें की जेन्ना आमी हेल्प करपाक गेल्ली एक्चुअली एक मॉलेस्ट केला ताका सांग्यार म्हजो मोबायल म्हणजे सीज केलो. हांवें वयलें कोणाचें बरें करपाक गेल्लें पूण माय फोन वॉज सीज बिकॉज इट्स पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड. ही मेड इट अ पॉयंट, ही आस्क्ड द डिवाइस पीस that why Pratima's phone was seized. And he has told the police now, you all have to do an inquiry and see. And then found out, they came to know that the matter is charge sheeted. The DGP was surprised that my matter was nothing, that I had gone to help somebody who was in pain. But my phone was seized and I am charge sheeted. And the other side, because somebody belongs to the BJP mighty post, Deputy CM, he's been safeguarded. I even told him that his phone, he's claiming that his phone was hacked. And I brought it to his notice that if Deputy CM Babu Kavlekar's phone is hacked and he's given a complaint, why is CBI and cybercrime taking so long? Why so much of time? If the Deputy CM cannot get justice and you can't make out who is the hacker, then what justice they'll give the common man? What justice they'll give the common people? बारीक लोकांक कितें न्याय मेळटलो? तेका हांवें दोनी सायडीन सांगलां. हांवें सांगलां आमी कितें दिल्या पळय आमच्या काँग्रेसान जी कंप्लेन दिली 10 दीस पयलीं क्रायमाक आनी सायबरान आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाक ताका सांगलां की ताजेर मातशी कारवाई जावपाक जाय आनी सांगलां तांकां यू ऑल आर पुलीस, यू ऑल डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी पार्टी, देयर इज नो पॉलिटिक्स. We have come like your sisters, appealing to you because sir, everybody has children, everybody has got children and youngsters, teenagers. So तांकां ते वायट मेसेज वचपाक नाका म्हणून आयज तेणी केला, फाल्यां कोणी म्हणटलो आपूण करता. बाबू कितें रे, बाबू कांय जावना मरे, बाबू कावलेकराचे डेप्युटी CMाचे मॅटर पॉक केलो मरे, लोक म्हणटलो. तर आमचें कितें जातलें? आमकां नाका. त्या ग्रुपार खंय रिस्पेक्टेड लोक आसा, NGOs आसा, कांय बरे सोसायटीक बरे लोकांनी पयलें, ते बायलांनी पयलें. हांवें ताका दाखयलें की सर पळय म्हणलें हें पळोवपाचें आसा. तेणें दोळे बंद केले आनी DGPन सांगलें नाका नाका रे, न्ही दो म्हणून. I told him, see, you cannot see the clip and imagine 250 people watching it. Now 250 become 250,000. Last I told him that even the NDTV, national news have carried this, that it is a shame for the Deputy CM of Goa, that is of BJP, that is Babu Kavlekar. Such a, I want to know what action Pramod Sawant is going to take, and I want to know how fast this case will be solved. We have told him, he has assured us that there will be a fair inquiry in there. Because हांवें ताका सांगलां WhatsAppचे म्हणटा तूं हॅक करपाक जायना, इट्स एन एंड टू एंड एन्क्रिप्शन. हांव एकूच मॅसेज दिवपाक शकता, छोटी बरी बात आसतली. बाबू कवलेकर, यू आर द डेप्युटी CM ऑफ गोवा टुडे, यू आर ऑन अ व्हेरी मायटी पोस्ट. म्हाका फरक पडना, फाल्यां म्हजें तुमी रिवेंज घेवपाक सोदता, म्हाका हें करपाक सोदतले, पूण हांव म्हज्या बायलांक घेवन एक काम चालूच दवरतलें. कित्याक गोंयकारांक खबर आसा की हांव कितें उलयता तें सत्य उलयता म्हणून. कित्याक कायद्या मुखार डिफरन्स ना, सगळीं कायद्या मुखार सेम आसपाक जाय. तो CM जावं, तो डेप्युटी CM आसूं, वा तो MLA जावं, वा सादारण मनीस जावं. आनी लास्ट म्हाका सांगलां की मागीर DGPन आय विल लूक इन टू दीस मॅटर, आय विल रियली फायंड आउट प्रतिमा म्हणून सांगलां. आनी आय टोल्ड हिम सर, सी दॅट यू ऑल डोंट बाव डावन टू प्रेशर, बिकॉज कितें जाता फोन आयलो जाल्यार मागीर प्रेशराचेर पडटा. सो आय टोल्ड हिम आय एम लुकींग अप टू यू and I'm really honestly feeling because you all are here for people, because you all are getting the taxpayers money. तुमकां सरकार पैसे दिना, तुमकां लोकांचे पैसे तुमकां वता. You all are here to guide us and that you all will give us जस्टीस